Struggling to navigate the confusing world of e-commerce platforms and dropshipping tools? Today, we're diving deep into Tradelle, a platform promising to streamline your dropshipping journey. We'll uncover if it's truly the right choice for your business. First, let's assess Tradelle's product sourcing capabilities. Does it offer a wide range of niches, and how reliable are its suppliers? We'll analyze the product catalog and quality control measures. Next, integrations are key for seamless operation. We'll examine how Tradelle connects with established e-commerce platforms and other essential tools for managing your online store. Now, let's talk money. We'll break down Tradelle's pricing structure, evaluating if it aligns with your budget and business needs. Are there hidden fees or limitations to be aware of? We'll also weigh the pros and cons, considering user feedback and potential challenges you might encounter using Tradelle. So, is Tradelle the dropshipping platform you've been searching for? Stay tuned as we provide a comprehensive assessment to help you make an informed decision.